Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair. Guys, our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Guys, today we'll be working on a BMW E90, but we have another one, wagon E60, E61 model here, so we'll have many more videos coming for Beamers. That's the one we're working on today, that red E90, it's a 328, and we'll show you guys how to remove and replace secondary air pump. Engine light is on because of it, it's not working, we tested it. We'll actually show you how to test it, and if we're able to fix that thing, we'll show you how to fix it as well without buying one. So, in order to remove it, guys, we need to remove those hoses there now. So we need to squish both parts there in and pull up, and those get stuck, believe me. Those will get really stuck. So, okay, this one came out, the big one. That's how you do it on those things. You squish towards each other and you get it out, but if they haven't been removed, they will be stuck, and careful because they're breakable too, they're very fragile. Now we need to disconnect the wire, which is right here. So if you press down there and pull, but don't pull for the wires, you'll come off like that. Next thing, you can remove the whole bracket or you can remove the pump only. It's up to you. We'll remove the pump only, so you can get it out of the rubber bushings like that. Otherwise you can remove the bracket if you want to. Okay. And we have one more on bottom, like that, one bushing, rubber bushing, but you can just pull it up and then we'll be able to press it in. We'll show you how. Okay, like that, it came out, and now we need to just feed it through here and get it out of the car, guys. Okay, and this is the secondary air pump, which is very small. Nothing too complicated about it. You have only two wires, so one is red, one is black. Let me show you right here. And if you give positive to the 12 volt positive to the red and negative, okay, to the black one, it should turn on. And hold it good because you can see the wires here again. If it turns on, it tends to kick a little bit, so hold it good. So that's the video, guys. We'll show you how to install it in a little bit, but we'll see if we can fix that thing, and if we do, we'll definitely have a video to save you a couple $100. Thank you guys for watching. Alright guys, we got the actually you can see secondary air pump. Let us give you the number if you need it for that model. We have a video, guys, on our channel how to rebuild that one. Check it out, how to rebuild a secondary air pump. We didn't even buy a new one, so we'll see how ours works now and if it's going to trigger any codes now. So now we need to remember how we took that thing off. Okay, it goes like that, and we need to feed the bottom bushing first. Okay, let's see now if we can get it in. We did. And now we have the top ones. Just press them down. And if they're really tough to press in, sometimes you can lubricate them, but in our case it was pretty simple. Now we're going to install the hoses. The air hoses here. So you just push in until they lock. You're going to hear an audible click. Okay, like that. And the big one right here, the breather hose, the one that has the filter there. Now we need to connect the wire. Okay, like that. And let's see how that thing works now. Okay, pump is working, everything's good, so that's pretty much the whole procedure, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.